why online education is so important, why online skill learning is so important when we are living in underdeveloped countries. So I have a complete online education and skill learning plan for my viewers on my YouTube channel SMB Institute. There is a bundle of opportunities I have for you. You can start from now to onward. So why it's so important? Hello guys, it's me Engineer Daud, and in this video I'll discuss with you the importance of online education and skill learning, which is the best basic need and necessity of every youngster, of every professional, no matter from which age you are. It's very important for you guys to start from today to onward to start online education and skill learning. So as I already mentioned in my discussion, that online education and skill learning is part of our daily life if we start working from today. So in Word, in digital media, on Google platform, on different social media platforms, a huge content available which we can utilize for our learning, for our development, for our grooming. Huge content available. So for traditional learning is that we go somewhere and we pay some money to somebody to learn a skill or to learn on education. Nowadays some things are the same like previous, but most of the things change, mostly related to skill, because nowadays there is digital media totally changed the scenario. There's a bundle of opportunities available. Like now you are watching my video on my YouTube channel SMB Institute. So what thing you require? Only you need one cell phone, and you need to have internet. So after that you are able to learn online on YouTube, like Facebook. There's a bundle of other medias or other sites available on Google, on different search engines, from where you can learn a lots of things. And I have a practical example for you, which I will show you by doing on my laptop screen. So my agenda is that you guys, my viewers, need to start online education and skill learning free of cost, without paying any amount. You can learn by doing on your mobile phone with two resources. Only one is mobile phone and the other is internet. I will show you on my laptop screen. You can perform all these steps on your. So now I am going to show you some sites like Udemy, like Coursera, like EdX, like Allison, and lots of websites available on Google search engine. There's also lots of LMS, learning management system, here on Google, because Google is global word. Here you can learn and earn. So I'll show you. First of all, I will show you Coursera. That's very important site. Here you can see that the strength of Coursera, how many courses available, and here you will learn what you want. And it's very good opportunity for us and our luck to learn a proper design module course. On YouTube there is a bundle of content available which is very well organized, but sometimes there is tutorials available with no sequence. But the sites I'll show you on my laptop screen, like Coursera, like Udemy. Okay, I'll show you Udemy. So you can see here, these sites have well organized content with proper sequence. So from learning from these sites is very good opportunity for us. And what I like most from this website is that these websites have free learning material. And if we need certificate, we need to pay some money and then we get certificate. But according to me, according to my experience, certification is another thing. First of all, we need to learn skill. After that, by using this skill, you can earn money in physical marketplace, in online marketplace, also remote work and work from home, and many opportunities, freelancing, YouTubing, and many more. After that, when you start earning some money, you can just invest a bit of money on this site and then earn a certificate. It's very good opportunity and it's very good initiative. From learning skill here, then you need to invest or pay some money to your trainer to get certificate. Certification also have a worth, very much worth, but first of all we need to learn skill, and then we can earn money from different fields, different marketplaces. No matter this is physical marketplaces like that, we go somewhere in office and traditional working are 9 to 5 or 8 to 5, and it's very with corporate to corporate, or you can utilizing this skill you can earn money in freelancing, in YouTube, and also. But my agenda is that you need to start online education, and there's a lots of online education. There is lots of degree programs available online, on which you can just you need a little bit money, but mostly you need two resources: mobile phone, and the second thing is you need you have a good internet facility. So this is now I'm going to close this video session by giving you one good tip. Please start from today to onward online education and skill learning. This is the basic need and necessity of every youngster, of every professional. So guys, if you like my video content, please like and comment. If you think that my channel is doing some good working, subscribe with no money, because it's very good for you to be a member of my channel. Thank you so much for watching SM Institute. Bye bye.